Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to upload and share files on Google Drive. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Gmail. Now I'll open my Google Drive. For that, I'll click on this Google Apps, and over here you can see here is Drive. Click on this, and over here you can see this is my Google Drive. Now to upload files, first of all select your file. You can see this is the file which I want to upload. Just click and drag this over here to this Google Drive and drop. And you can see here this file is being uploaded. Now if I refresh, you can see this is video which is recently uploaded. Now to share this, just click on these three dots. Over here go to share and again go to this share. After that, you can see this interface appears. Now you can see general access. Here is restricted. Just click on this and you can choose anyone with the link. That means if you share this link, anyone can open this link. And after that, just copy this link and done. And now you can just share this link with anyone you want. So in this way, we can upload files and share it from Google Drive. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.